Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can grow bell peppers in a very unique way in a bottle. So for that I have taken some healthy bell pepper saplings from my pot. If you know how I started these saplings, I will link the video in the I button above. You can see that they have very good root growth and they are pretty healthy, and that's why I have chosen them to be planted in a bottle. For that I have taken a 1 liter bottle which was available to me during lockdown. If you want, you can take a 1.5 liter to 2 liter bottle. That will be more helpful. I've made 4 holes on 4 sides at the bottom of the bottle, and then I'm using a jute twine to tie up the bottle holes like this, so that I can hang it easily wherever I want. I've taken a long twine in case I need it. I will tie up all the 4 sides. I have prepared 2 bottles. Similarly, I have made 4 holes and then I have tied the jute twines in them. Next thing I have taken is this piece of cloth which comes generally with the electronics, and this would pretty much serve my purpose. That's why I chose it. So I'm just going to cut it in half, fold it like this, and then another fold, and then I'll make a small cut so that I get something like this. And then I'll do the similar thing in the other piece of the cloth that I cut. Next thing that I'm doing is I will very gently put the root inside the bottle and keep the stem and leaves out like shown in the video. As you can see, it has securely got inside and it didn't break or harm the leaf or the stem or the roots. Now I'm putting this cloth inside and I'll try to wrap it around the root so that when I fill the bottle with dirt, it doesn't come out from the bottle opening. So as you can see, it takes a little bit of time, but eventually you'll get it, and this is how it'll look. It has pretty much covered the opening of the bottle and won't let the dirt just flow off when we water the bottle. Now I've started filling the bottle with potting mix and compost. So I have taken like 70% of potting mix and 30% cow manure. I've also added some dried eggshells so that it can provide required calcium. Here I have filled the bottle completely with the potting mix and I have now tied it up out in my balcony. As you can see, this is how I have tied it up. That's why I took a long rope. I didn't know how much it will take. I have some rope hanging, but it's better that I have extra than less. Now I'm going to water this bottle properly, and I will water it and wait and see till the time some water starts coming out from the opening of the bottle. That way I'll be ensured that it has been watered properly. So this is 3 weeks after I planted the sapling. You can see new buds have started coming out of the small sapling already. I can see 3 buds. Hopefully they all produce fruits. And this is how it's hanging. So since it has started producing flowers, I'll put in some decomposed cow manure in the bottle, and it's pretty easy. I'll just top it up from the section where I had cut the bottle and tied the rope, and then as soon as I put the fertilizer in it, I'm gonna water it properly. so that it gets into the soil. So there you go, guys. I got my first fruit here hanging upside down in my balcony, and it's pretty rewarding to see it. If I had like a bigger bottle, like a 1.5 liters or even 2 liters, the fruit would have been much bigger, but as you can see, it's there at least, and I'm really happy about the results. So that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.